In today's fast-changing global community, our Masters in International Development Management is designed to prepare you to face future challenges in development studies with confidence and make a real impact in the world. You will explore development theory in an international context, learning how to turn ideas into practical solutions for global challenges. With input from experienced field practitioners and NGOs, you will study real-life case studies, analyze data from organizations such as the World Bank, the IMF, UNCTAD, WTO, and build valuable project management skills. You will also have the opportunity to undertake a field-based placement with an NGOs, gain development expertise in designing and implementing sustainable solutions and interventions. This course opens doors to careers with international organizations, non-governmental bodies, and government agencies. Graduates from this course have gone on to work as program officers, trade advisors, development consultants at organizations including the UN organizations, World Bank Group, and Save the Children.